Good, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, Boo Boo 617. Let's do a quick cold start on this baby. So for you that don't know, my current setup, what it consists of is axle backs, couple axle backs, the Nismo H pipes, and a cold air intake. That's it. That's the sound that you're hearing. Now I'm gonna do more videos on other things that I'm gonna install that are gonna make the exhaust sound a lot more aggressive. Even though I love the way it sounds now, I don't want it to be too much, but I want it to sound a little bit louder. But one thing I am scared about is sometimes I hear cars that are too loud with low RPMs and they're not going anywhere. I hate that. Like, if you're gonna be loud, I want to be in mid to high RPMs. I don't like that that low RPM, but you're extra loud. Like, you sound like you're going 100 miles an hour and you're actually just going 20. Like, I hate that. And of course I get stuck behind this truck. Get out the way, yo, get out the way, coming through. Where we going? We're going to Revere, right? Is it through? Yep, it is through here. I was about to get lost. I'm in the wrong lane. I have to be on that lane. And I did not even know that. Oh man. 5.0. Anybody can let me in. Anybody can let me in. You 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 can let me in. Come on, let me in. Oh, they're not gonna let me in. Sorry, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna go around. F them. They don't want to see me win. This is the other one here. I had to go up the street a couple miles just to go all around because these people, they don't want to let me by. But it's all good. It's all good. It's a nice sunny day. It's 84 degrees outside right now. Let's do this. So how much horsepower do I currently have with my current setup? Now remember, got the Z1 cold air intake, got the Nismo H pipes, and I have an axle back exhaust so far installed. What does that mean? Well, from factory, we know that the Nismos, the 370Z Nismos, come with 350 horsepower from the crank. So these are all numbers from the crank. We're not talking about from the wheels, from the crank. So 350 because of the exhaust from the crank. Now we upgraded the intakes. We upgraded the axle back. From what I know, the axle backs really don't give you no type of increase. And intakes, it's limited. Some people say from 6 to 15, who knows, right? The thing is, with these motors, you would never know exactly what the power is unless you dyno it. Someone can have the same exact car, the same year, and the numbers will be completely different. Like, they can have exactly the same setup and everything, and the numbers would be completely different. So in reality, I don't know. I don't know how much horsepower I have right now. Not until I dyno it, and then we can know horsepower to the wheels is. Once we know what the horsepower to the wheels is, then we can determine from percentages what the base horsepower is, what the power from the crank is. Which doesn't really matter, because once you know your wheel horsepower, that's what really counts, right? Oh man, beach parking is closed. It doesn't matter, you know why? Because my mom lives out here right across the street, so we are good. We're good. We got our own private parking, baby. I think the better question is, do I want some ice cream? Who wants some ice cream? Who wants some ice cream? So because of COVID, they have shut down all the parking at the beach. See either side where all those barrels are, that's parking for vehicles. And they tell you what, that is not stopping the people from enjoying their time at the beach though. This is my favorite time of the year, summer. Even though we're not exactly in summer yet. It's only, what, June 5th? But, oh man, I love the heat. I can't stand the cold. I should just move. Oh man, these guys got the bikes out. Making me want to pull mine out. Why y'all do that to me? Now we in the Z, man. Fuck that. So we get into my mom's beach. Mom's crib. Beach. Mom's crib. VIP parking, baby, all day. So we just got to the beach. I'm not trying to get hit. About to get hit. I might get hit. Sorry. Sorry. Might get hit. We did not get hit. And the sun's right in my face. Little change of scenery. Why not? Now I'm gonna go across the street again. We're playing in traffic, people. I think I need life insurance. Alright, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it now. Had a good time with the fam. Now it's time to get out of here. So, going back to what we were talking about, horsepower, I really won't know what my car is pushing out right now until I get dynoed. And dyno day is coming real soon in July, so about a month. In a month, after all the parts are installed, I already did down payment to get a slot, to get my car tuned by Admin Tuning. He's coming over here to Massachusetts, all the way from Texas. Shout out to him, Admin Tuning. Where y'all going? Policia. Look at this. This is the place that I showed y'all earlier. In line to get some ice cream. About to stop. Alright guys, so make sure you check out my other install videos, my unboxing videos. I will be uploading more videos coming soon. I already got 2 parts waiting for me to unbox. Stay tuned for that. Google 617, we out.